Hi, today I also want to talk about ShipSage, SFP Shipping Templates, and ASIN management. Under the Shipping Template module, we can automatically create different shipping templates combination. Imagine when you have 4, 5, 6 warehouses. The combination of different warehouses can be many. So our system will automatically create different shipping templates. For example, just one warehouse for the template, or any 2 warehouses combination, or any 3 warehouses combination, or 4, 5, so on and so forth. And we can create all the different shipping templates and sync it back to your Amazon Seller Central account. That will help you to save so much time just for creating the shipping templates for you. Next, I want to talk about ASIN management. When you have all the different ASINs, you can also automate, enable or disable them into the SFP templates. You can preset some of the logic. For example, you know this ASIN has always been low performance during the weekend. You don't get much page view. So you can turn it on saying that on weekend, you will automatically disable from certain time to certain time. Or you can stop the SFP on a specific date because you know that you don't have SKUs inventory those days, or because you know it's a holiday, but it doesn't fall on the weekend. So this automation is on an ASIN level. Thank you.